Hi guys, welcome to my channel Enhance Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install XAMPP server on Windows 10. So let's get started. To do this, open your browser first and search for XAMPP. Then press enter. Hopefully you will get the first link of apachefriends.org. Just click on this link and this will open the website. And here you can choose your preferred language, like I'm going with English. Now you can see three download options here, and I want to download for Windows, so I will choose XAMPP for Windows. So just click on this button and the downloading will start. And now you can see the file is downloading, and this will take few minutes. It's totally depends on your internet speed. When the download will complete, you have to go to the folder where the file has been downloaded, and then double click on the file. This will give you a warning pop-up. You just have to click yes on that. On my screen it's coming, but my recorder not capturing it. Now it's going to start the XAMPP installation wizard, which will take 2 to 3 seconds. Now you can see these type of warnings coming on your screen, but no need to worry about that. It will come while you're installing the XAMPP. Just click on OK for these type of warnings. Now you can see setup window of XAMPP. Just click on next on that, and these are the default apps and programs which will come with XAMPP. Just leave them as it is and click on next. And this will be the location where XAMPP is going to install. Just keep in mind this location because we will access the XAMPP from this folder. You can also change the location, but in my case I will leave it as it is, and click on next. Again click on next. By clicking on next, maybe open the website bitnami.com, but don't worry about it, just minimize the browser and again click on next button. And now the installation process has been started, but it will take some time, so you just have to wait. Once the green progress bar reaches, then we will proceed further. Maybe in between this kind of alert window will come. Just click on allow access on it. Now wait for few seconds and the installation process is complete, and leave this button as it is. Just click on finish. Choose your language and click on save button. Now you can see XAMPP control panel window has come. Here are the list of services which are not running by default, so we have to start them to start local server. We need to start Apache and MySQL by clicking on their start buttons, and now click on allow access. Our XAMPP is successfully installed now. To check is it working fine, open your browser and type localhost, press enter. This will open the dashboard. You can check your PHP version by clicking here. Let's go back to the previous window, and You can open PHP MyAdmin to create your database by clicking here. So guys, this is it. Here I am going to finish my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.